Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing. Today we're doing our Rigid What's Inside the Box. This is for the Rigid Adapt XE Moto headlight kit. This is basically their new complete headlight kit assembly, universal fit for most Moto. Basically you get this light assembly with 3 different light outputs. You have a flood, a drive, and a spot. And it works off Adapt technology, GPS. So basically when you're slow or not moving, you have a flood wide beam pattern. And then as you pick up speed, it switches to a drive, which extends farther down the road. And then as you accelerate even faster, higher speeds, it'll switch to a spot, which goes even farther down the road. It comes with everything you see here for fork clamps. You get the LED housing with the number plate. These are offered in black or white. They all come with an amber lens that you can put on top of it, a shield. It's optional to use it, but they all come with it. Comes with all your wiring harness and a 3-way switch, which allows you to have it either off, on, or in adapt mode. And adapt mode is where it is speed sensitive and changes the light output based on how fast you're going. You also get all the mounting brackets and plates to fit it up to your bike. And again, this is right now the only thing on the market like it, where it actually changes the light output and the distance and the beam pattern and the width of it based on how fast you're going. This also has active power management. And this basically means that the light will draw only as much power as being given to it based on the bike's electrical system. We have a link down below with a video of also showing the light in action on the bike so you can see it firsthand in person. And obviously we offer these. You can check out our website, HardRacing.com. We have coupon codes available as well. Just send us an email if you're interested in purchasing one to give you a discount. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you enjoyed our video, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button to help support the channel so we can continue to bring you great videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, and of course, check out our website at HardRacing.com.